In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launhcer from Launhcer Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, hit Apps, tap on Manage Apps and select those three dots at the top right corner to hit Other Settings. Finally, tap on Default Apps, hit Launhcer and apply Launhcer Pro by clicking on it. Hit Allow All in the pop-up when it will appear. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my Launhcer was successfully applied. To make some changes, go into Launhcer app. To go back to your default Launhcer, just access the same settings. Sorry, misclick. And click on System Launhcer. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!